Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to do a speed test between the Redmi 12C and the Redmi 13C. So let's begin the video. On the left we have the Redmi 12C with 4 GB RAM, and on the right we have the Redmi 13C with 6 GB of RAM. Both of the phones have the same G85 Helio processor. So the first test will be the startup test of both the devices. So I'm going to start both the devices in 3, 2, 1. So we got the Mi logo on both the devices. So the Redmi 13C is clearly the winner with the device startup test. As you can see, it has completely booted up while the 12C is still booting. So the next test will be opening different apps on both the devices. First of all, let me show you that both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as you can see right here. So when opening games or these kind of apps, this will not affect. And I'm going to close all the background apps on both the devices. So let me close all the apps. Now there is no app open. So we're going to open some basic apps like call, dialer, messages, and then we're going to move towards social media apps and games. So first of all, the basic apps like the call dialer in 3, 2, 1, and the Redmi 13C opened the call dialer faster. The messages in 3, 2, 1. Again, the Redmi 13C is the winner. We're going to open the settings app in 3, 2, 1. Again, it was a little bit faster. The Play Store in 3, 2, 1, and you can see Play Store has loaded faster as well. We're going to open the camera app in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the camera app was almost similar speed. Google Chrome in 3, 2, 1. So Chrome opened faster in the 13C as well. Now we're going to open YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Again, YouTube loaded faster while it is still loading in the 12C. We're going to open calendar in 3, 2, 1. Again, 13C is faster. Candy Crush in 3, 2, 1. So you can see even in games, your Redmi 13C is faster. 8 ball pool in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 8 ball pool loaded faster in the 13C. So in almost all the tests, the 13C is the winner because of 6 GB RAM. Last but not least, PUBG Mobile in 3, 2, 1. We got the loading screen first, and PUBG has loaded up in the Redmi 13C while the 12C is still loading. So yeah, this is the speed comparison between the Redmi 12C and the 13C. Yes, the 13C in this case has extra 2 GB RAM, where we are comparing 4 GB with 6 GB, but overall almost all the apps open up quite quicker in the Redmi 13C as compared to the 12C. So yeah guys, this was the speed test. Hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.